know if you guys are ready for this, but we got some fire mods back there. As you guys know by the thumbnail and the title, I think this is another step. We make some racing content. Finally, after so long. And the other one. Finally got them, guys. We got the X pipe and the Longtube headers. The only thing about this X pipe, guys, is that I wanted it to be off-road, but as you guys can see, it comes with some high flow cats, so it's not what I wanted, but I think we could modify this part right here, if you know what I'm saying. When I was checking them out, guys, I saw that this got bends, guys. As you guys can see, it's not like a true circle, and on this side too, I guess it was from the shipping, but hopefully it doesn't affect the install and it goes smooth. But other than that, these are the BBK Longtube headers. These are the ceramic ones, polished ceramic, so they're gonna be shiny. It's not only going to help with performance in the car, but it's also going to look good under the hood, and it's going to sound loud, guys. That's all that you really want, you know, just be loud and obnoxious. BBK also does supply the gaskets, but these are real cheap, guys. So nasty. I don't know if you guys could see, but the quality on these are OEM. When you're installing the BBK headers, you want to go ahead and you order your set of OEM gaskets. They're much better quality. Not gonna lie, guys, I am gonna miss the shorty headers. How quiet it was, you know, at cruising. Had an X pipe, an off-road X pipe 4 years ago, and it came in and everything, but I never got to install it because my headers, they were back ordered for like 6 months, and I had paid for it already and they took my money, but I just never got the part. So at the end I canceled my order. 4 years later, we're here. See, 2020, guys. Yeah, I had that tune since 2020 because I wanted to have the car ready, but you know, stuff happens, life happens. Hopefully we get to take the car to the track and you know, make more content. So another crazy story, guys. I had paid $200 for the off-road X-Pipe 2 years ago, and I paid almost 3 times that amount for this one, guys. I just washed her, guys, so she is looking a little clean the moment, and I have some fresh oil over here. We're gonna do the oil change soon, and we're gonna install the Longtube headers this week, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Drop a like, it really helps with the algorithm, guys, and you know, comment down below your thoughts. I have rows, so I know this setup is gonna sound really loud. I also wanted to go ahead and compare the stock manifolds, guys, versus the new ones. So as you guys can see, side by side, the difference. So That's gonna for sure improve airflow. These are tiny. If you haven't already, my last video I reviewed the shorty headers. I'm gonna start off by removing the stock X pipe. Alright, we're gonna start by loosening up the clamp that holds the X pipe. Oh yeah guys, by the way, look at that sexy, beautiful one-piece drive shaft. Aluminum, you know, so it's a lot lighter than the stock one, and you can do harder launches. So I'll be doing full mod list of my car soon guys, so if I can just get this mid pipe loose. By the way guys, I have no experience installing headers. This is my first time, so alright, so we managed to slide the couplers off. Now we have to unbolt this. Okay. There it is, I got it. Now we just gotta pull this clamp back. Oh yeah, baby! Oh, it's falling on me. I need my friends. This is heavy. This is why I work out, guys. Finally, we made it. Yes. So here we have it, guys. The stock X pipe and the BBK X pipe. I mean, this is not an X pipe. It's not a true one, at least. It looks like a mix of both, H and X. Alright, next we're going to start off by removing the shorty headers. And the final screws out. Carefully, we're going to take it off. Oh,
they're all playing together.
oh.
They all ran together. Look. Oh
This is the BBK shorty headers. This is the stock one. You guys can see the difference. Can't believe it, guys. I got it out. Probably get it out from under the car. I guess they were good. And check it out once again. Alright, let's start with the fun part. Let's go ahead and install these bad boys. And just like that, we got it inside, guys. It was so easy, guys. I got all the studs on, and honestly, this side was pretty easy. I can imagine the other side This only took me about like 20 minutes or less. Alright, so it's all installed all by myself, you know, just showing you that it could be done. Just do your research, and it was done with a couple, it was done in parts, you know. I didn't do it all at once only because I worked, but I probably would have taken a whole day to do this. Take a moment to appreciate this. Alright, let's see that beautiful BBK branding one more time. And they're on, guys. Daylight outside. Alright, today's the day we're gonna do a first startup. Before I upload the tune, because I don't want it to die on me midway through the tune. It's happened before, guys. Don't recommend it. Alright, you guys ready? Damn, she sounds gorgeous. Look at all the fumes, the gases from the Longtube burning up. Can you guys believe it? Sounds good. Sounds a lot quieter than the shorties. The shorties probably had an exhaust leak, but we did let it run for a couple minutes now. Let's go ahead and install the Longtube's tune. See how she sounds. Alright, let's program the vehicle. It's not legal for sale in California. I feel bad for Cali people. So it says turnkey off. And click it. Let's go ahead and change my axle. I have 373 gears because I'm a baller. 751 reps per mile. So we just go ahead and go to 751. Alright, let's start it up. Alright, she definitely sounds different from the tune with the shorty headers. So I'm thinking about going this weekend to modify the mid pipe, you know. So it's sounding pretty mean for a V6, you know, at least. You might hear minor vibrations of the exhaust because they were used when I bought them. I got these Roush with quads for like $200. I got so much plans for this car. We got this car is over 10 years old, so we're gonna have to replace the suspension, but we're only going with the best, you know. Leave a comment down below for any recommendations. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to drop a like, subscribe if you haven't. We got so much planned for this car, and I'll catch you guys later.